Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. I've got another square for you, and this square has front post triple crochets on top of this square. I hope you can see it. And it's just a nice version of the normal granny squares. So this is what I want to show you. So this is front and the back. And I really like the texture on this square. And before I'm going to show you how to crochet this, I want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel, there are 2 links in the description below where you can help me so I can still make videos for you. And well, now I'm gonna show you how you can crochet this granny square. I've got some yarn. I've got a crochet hook of 5 millimeters, and first I'm gonna make a magic circle, and I grab my yarn and I make a chain 3, and the third chain, make sure it's not that tight, so make it a little bit loose because you need to close your rounds with a slip stitch. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and now we're gonna make 2 more double crochets in this magic circle. Now chain 2, and then again make 3 double crochets. So we're gonna make the beginning of a normal granny square. So that means we have 4 times 3 double crochets next to each other with 2 chains in between. So again, make 3 double crochets in that magic circle. Chain 2. To make the corners, I'm going to tighten my magic circle a little bit, and I'm going to make 3 more double crochets in that magic circle. Now chain 2. For the last corner, I'm going to tighten my magic circle, and in at the top of 3 chains I'm going to make a slip stitch. Now we need to go to the first corner over here, or to the next corner. So what we're going to do is, in the top of the next double crochet we're going to make a slip stitch, and into the next double crochet we're going to make a slip stitch, and into that corner we're going to make a slip stitch. So we always need to start in a corner. Now chain 3, and then 2 more double crochets in that corner. Now chain 2, and these 3 double crochets belong to this side over here. Now in that same corner make 3 more double crochets, and 3. Now we need to make a chain 2, and then go over to the next corner and make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and in that same corner make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and repeat this until you are at the beginning. So in the corner make 3 double crochets, and 3, chain 2, make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and into the last corner make 3 double crochets, 3, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochets. And 3. Now chain 2, and make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the beginning. Slip stitch into the next double crochet slip stitch into the next double crochet, and slip stitch into the corner. So this is where the normal granny squares would be made. And now we're gonna make the fun part, to make the front post triple crochets. So first let's chain 3 and then 2 more double crochets in that corner. Now chain 2 and into that corner make 3 more double crochets. Now chain 2. Now into this this chain 2 space over here, first we're going to make a double crochet. And now we need to make a front post triple crochet with 2 rows below. So this is your first row below and this is your second row below. So in that very first round we're going to make a front post triple crochet. So that means yarn over twice, go over in front of where you just made your double crochet, and into that center or in your second, so 1 2 3, in your second double crochet, gonna put your hook from the front to the back around that second double crochet to the front again. So grab your yarn, pull it up a little bit, and now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now make a normal double crochet in a chain 2 space. So there will always be a group of 3 stitches, and now this will be a double crochet, a front post triple crochet, and a double crochet next to each other. Now chain 2, and in the corner you're gonna do the same every time with every round. So make 3 double crochets, then chain 2, and then 3 double crochets again. Then chain 2, and into the next chain 2 space make a double crochet, and then make a front post triple crochet 2 rows below in that second double crochet, around that second double crochet. And then make a normal double crochet in that chain 2 space. Now chain 2, and in the corners make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. And this part I'm going to do a little bit quicker because it's just the same every round into that corner. Okay, now chain 2, and again in a chain 2 space over here make a double crochet, make a front post triple crochet 2 rows below in that second double crochet, and a normal double crochet around that same chain 2 space. Now chain 2, and in the corner do the same, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Now chain 2, we've got 1 more chain 2 space left, so make a double crochet in a chain 2 space, front post triple crochet 2 rows below around that second double crochet, and then again a double crochet in that same chain 2 space. Now chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now slip stitch until you are at the corner, and then again chain 3, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in that same corner, chain 2, and then now you can see we have 2 chain 2 spaces. We're gonna make a double crochet in a chain 2 space, front post triple crochet 2 rows below, so this is 1 row below and this is your second row below. So around that second double crochet you're gonna make front post triple crochet, and then again a double crochet. Now chain 2, and then in your next chain 2 space make a double crochet, a front post triple crochet 2 rows below around that second double crochet, and then 1 normal double crochet around that chain 2 space, chain 2, and then in the corner do the same thing which you need to do every corner. So 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. So the corners I'm going to do a little bit quicker. Okay, so now chain 2, and into the next chain 2 space make a double crochet, make a front post triple crochet 2 rows below around that second double crochet, and then a normal double crochet, chain 2, and into the next chain 2 space make a double crochet, make a front post triple crochet 2 rows below around that double crochet, that second double crochet, and then a normal double crochet, chain 2, and just repeat this until you are back at the beginning. So I'm gonna do this a little bit quicker so this video won't be that too long. I don't want my videos to be like half an hour or an hour long for just a square. So just continue what we did the first 2 sides of the square. So here's the last front post triple crochet, and make 1 normal double crochet. Don't forget about the chain 2, and then slip stitch into that 3rd chain. I'm going to show you one more time, because for this row you can see how I'm gonna use this front post triple crochet over here, because you can see there are 2 chain 2 spaces, and here is the one where there is no front post triple crochet, but here is the in the center there is a front post triple crochet. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So chain 3 again, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in that same corner, now chain 2 again. In that first chain 2 space we're going to make a double crochet, a front post triple crochet 2 rows below, and another double crochet. Now chain 2, And here we are at the center of our side in that second chain 2 space. I'm going to make a double crochet, and now I'm going to make a front post triple crochet around this front post triple crochet. So it's very easy to see where you need to put your hook into or around. And then one normal double crochet in the chain 2 space. Now chain 2 into the next chain 2 space, make a double crochet, front post triple crochet 2 rows below, and a double crochet, chain 2, and in the corner 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then chain 2, and just do the same what we did on this side for every next side. So this is how you can make your squares bigger, and well, every time you are making it bigger, you can see that's for the next row. If you're done this row and you're gonna do next row, you can use these front post triple crochets. So that's all there is to do to make this cute granny square with front post triple crochets. I hope you liked it, and I'm curious if you're gonna make this too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below, and I hope to be able to answer them as quickly as I can. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.